This is a little song to say hello. Hi. Hi. Hi, 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 hi.
Hello. Welcome to Drinking Beer. I'm John Plunkett, and today we're going to be sampling Southern Tier's Double India Pale Ale. I've had a few Southern Tier beers before, and I've been pretty happy with most of them. Today I'll be using my Sam Adams glass. I don't know why I usually use this for drinking IPAs, so... Well, let's get down to business. Here we go. Looks pretty typical of a IPA. I don't know if you can see all the bubbles. They don't look like they're not going real slow, but they're not going real fast either. Which makes me think this might be a real malty style of IPA. Smells like an IPA. I'm thinking this is going to be very malty, but let's find out. Southern Tier Double IPA. It's not as malty as I expected. It's actually pretty good. It's a little more, it's probably more bitter. It's pretty close to my favorite style. A little bit more bitter. And almost like this real tinge, vinegary tinge. I don't know if that was by design or if it's just really old beer. I highly doubt it. I think this is a new variety of beer from Southern Tier. I don't really know for sure, but let me try another drink. I don't know exactly what it's missing or what it's added. I can't really discern by taste. I know it feels like it's missing something. I kind of traditionally tend to go with more of the standard IPAs where it's got more of a balance. This isn't bad. It's just hoppier than I would prefer. But as far as other double IPAs I've had, it's actually probably the most tolerable. That was Southern Tier Double IPA, or India Pale Ale. I'm gonna have another drink. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Drinking Beer. Be sure to stop by again, check out some more videos. I should be posting these fairly regularly. So, yeah. I don't know what else to say. Thank you.
I pour spaghetti in my toilet, I flushed it down. Oh baby, baby, I love that flushing sound.